guys, it's Denise Walsh and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one thing that we all need, yet most of the time we simply avoid. But before I jump right in, if you haven't already, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I release a video. All right, so what is this that we all need, but yet we either don't ask for, we ignore, or we become defensive when we get it? That, my friends, is feedback. Feedback. Like, we're constantly getting external or internal feedback, but often we're not paying attention. So what does this mean? Well, you can have external on-course feedback, meaning people telling you good job and thank you, and that was exactly when I needed it, and giving you praise and affirmation, maybe getting a bonus at work or a job promotion. Externally, things are going well. Or you could have internal on-course feedback, which is peace, joy, like this restfulness, where you're just like entering life with good vibes, you're feeling good. You could have external off-course feedback, which would be getting fired, getting a speeding ticket, having complaints about you, people just externally saying negative things. That could be some external negative off-course feedback. Or internal off-course feedback, which could be headaches and stress and restlessness, where you're just feeling tension or confusion and you don't really know what to do about it. You're getting feedback all the time, whether it's external or internal, whether it's positive or negative, and there are 3 ways that people often respond. The first way is la 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 la, like totally ignoring it. You totally don't even acknowledge the feedback. So you keep trudging forward when in essence you might not even be going the right way. Listening to feedback really allows us to change our course of action. And if we're not listening, we could go, 100 miles an hour in the wrong direction. So you could either be ignoring it, right? Or you could sit down and give up. Have you ever had that where somebody gives you some constructive criticism and then you immediately get defensive and go, screw it, I'm not doing this anymore. I give up, and you sit down. I know I've done that a few times myself. The third way that you can handle feedback is you can be open to it. And when somebody says, hey, can I give you feedback? Or, hey, what do you think about this? Or, you know what? I'm not sure that connected with us very well. Whatever it is, you can be open to it and correct your course along the way. Now, when you really get good at accepting this feedback and knowing that it's just there to help guide you, you can then ask for it. So certainly you want to ask people that you respect, that you like, that you trust, that know you and know the path you're on. But you can ask them for feedback as well. And even say things like, well, what do you think? How about this situation? Or have you noticed anything different? Or do you have any feedback on what I'm doing right now? Or what do you think? And you can certainly ask for feedback if it seems appropriate at that time. So what about you? For external, internal, positive, negative, are you paying attention to what's going on around you? Are you ignoring it and just pretending like it's not there? Or have you given up and you're just sitting down on the floor going, whatever? Think about your own life and your journey and take all of it, positive, negative, whatever, as simply feedback. And feedback is just there to help you on your path. Are you on course? Are you off course? Every single time you take a step, the feedback is there to help guide you. I hope that this was helpful. If you want more free resources, check out my podcast called Dreamcast. And then if you haven't already, please download the Dream Life Action Planner. All the links are below, and this will really help you take your dreams and put them in your calendar. Have an awesome day.